Sunflowers or helianthus are beautiful and easy-growing flowers. One gets positive vibes just looking at these. There are several varieties of seeds available, that is from dwarf to mammoth, from single flower a plant to several of them. Choose as per your choice and space. I had bought a pack of raw, edible, sunflower seed and thought of sowing them, and to my surprise I saw the seedlings within 10 days of sowing. While sowing, dig 1-inch deep hole, and keeping the pointed end of the seed up. Sow it. You can just use dry seeds or soaked ones. It's best to grow the seedlings where they have to be grown. Transplanting sometimes damages the tap roots. Choose a spot for your plant where it will get at least 6 hours of sunlight. Sunflowers are beautiful, so are their buds. Buds take time to open up. It may take up to 60 or more days for the flowers to bloom. Sunflowers are heliotropic, that is, it turns to follow the sun. The sunflowers are the only flowers in the world with the word flower attached to its name. After the petals have fallen and you want the seeds, then protect the seed head. It has to be left on the plant till the seeds harden up. The seeds have magnesium, vitamins like B6 and 8, zinc, iron and others. It's so easy to grow these flowers, which do not demand much.